iPod Touch 5. I'll give you a brief description of what this thing does after I record.
The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lamoille County in northwest Vermont, western Washington County in central Vermont, northeastern Essex County in northern New York, southern Chittenden County in northwest Vermont, north central Addison County in central Vermont until 4:30 p.m. At 3:18 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near Shelburne, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Franzburg, St. George, Richmond, Huntington, Jonesville, Bolton, West Bolton, Fayston, Warren, Waitsfield. This severe thunderstorm is also producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Get to safety immediately when threatening weather approaches. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Large hail may cause injury and damage property.